All right, let's get started with a look at your forecast, guys. Satellite radar continues to show more rain and snow being pumped in over California and in general the Pacific Northwest. But down here at home, we're just dealing with a little bit of cloud cover. Most of the rain and snow will stay well to our north, so you can leave the umbrellas at home. Do know when it comes to this morning, it is mostly clear out there, but it's also cool up to the north. We're dealing with 41 in Santa Fe, 41 in Gallup as well. 50s down to the south, 57 in Roswell, but there's a couple of 30s sneaking in there up to across the North Mountains, southern Colorado, and even out in Grant, still down to 35. Now, we're still watching the moisture out across the eastern side of the state. It's slowly being pushed out further into Texas, but still dealing with quite a bit of humidity out there, no doubt about it. 100% Clovis, you are noticing that moisture. As far as the rest of us, though, it's dry. In Albuquerque, we will stay dry today. A lot of sunshine in today's forecast. Our temperatures look perfect. Low 80s coming in this afternoon, just a touch warmer than where we were yesterday. And that goes for the entire state. Our forecast highs today well into the 70s and 80s in most areas, even some low 90s coming in over the southeastern plains. The midweek forecast is pretty quiet. We've got a lot of sunshine. Winds will be pretty light. We're not looking at anything strong this morning. They'll get up to about 15, 20 as we get into the later part of this afternoon, but that's nothing compared to what I expect late week. Unfortunately, we've got a storm passing to our north and a cold front dripping in over the northeastern side of the state. That's going to crank up the wind statewide. We're going to be dealing with a statewide cool-off as well, and perhaps a little bit of some storm activity. And I wanted to break down the moisture here because we are, in fact, going to pull in some moisture behind that front, but it's not going to be widespread. Really, the eastern plains will have the best chance of seeing some of these spotty to scattered showers, as the depth of that moisture certainly limiting the rain chances further off to the west. Even central areas, spot storms if we're lucky. I'll tell you right now, I don't have any forecast rain chances in our forecast here in Albuquerque. Western New Mexico, don't even count on it. You guys are just too dry to see any of these showers given this setup. But of course, things will change over the next couple of days, and we will let you know if we need to add in some of those showers and storms. Southern Colorado, it does not look likely for you to pick up any rain. You're going to be looking at the sunshine and the warm temperatures in the 70s for the next couple of afternoons. Northwest, lots of sun as well. Winds getting up to about 15, 20 miles per hour late day. High temperatures in the 70s. Southwest, sunny skies with highs well into the 80s for most of us, even closer to 90 in Las Cruces today through Thursday. Southeast, sunshine with high temperatures pushing 70s in Ruidoso, but you got a little bit further off to the east, and you're going to be looking at 90s in Roswell, Artesia, and Carlsbad. Northeast, mostly sunny and breezy. Temperatures in the 80s for most of us. A couple of 70s out there in more Las Vegas and Capulín. Northern mountains, 60s and 70s across the higher elevations. Sunshine for now, not looking at any significant rain or snow yet. East mountains, mostly sunny with breezy conditions out of the southwest. High temperatures in the mid to upper 70s today. And the metro, looking at sunny skies on top, warm temperatures, and we'll go slightly breezy. The only reason why I'm saying relatively light winds for today is because in comparison to what we have late week, those are nothing. I expect those sustained speeds to get up to about 20 to 30 as we finish up the work week. The weekend actually looks to be pretty nice, though, although slightly cooler, back down to the low 70s, and the overnight lows in the 40s and 50s. So we do have more updates online this morning. For now, it's just bracing for the winds to come.
Which, again, we're dry, so as you said, we've got to be careful with that combination of
the fire danger,
yeah,
exactly.
weather.